Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 9. A road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 cm and the length is 1 meter. Suppose this is the shape of the roller, that is in cylindrical form. It is given the length is 1 meter. The diameter is 84 centimeter diameter. Therefore, we are getting the radius as 84 by 2, that is 2 4 is 8, 2 is 4, 42 centimeter. If we change into meter, that is 42 by 100 meter. Therefore, radius is equal to 42 by 100 meter. Right? Let's solve. In one revolution, 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 the road roller, the road roller will cover, the road roller will cover, will cover an area equal to the lateral surface area equal to the lateral surface area equal to the lateral surface area. We'll find the lateral surface area of the road roller. Therefore, we find the lateral surface area lateral surface area of the road roller is equal to 2 pi r into h, 2 pi r into h. Therefore, we are getting 2, value of pi is 32 by 7 and radius is 42 by 100. Height, that means this one, is 1 meter, that is 1 meter. This is the total lateral surface of the road roller, that is we are getting 7, 6 7 42, or we are getting divided by 100. If you multiply this number, 2 into 22 is 44, 44 multiply with 6, 4 6 is 24, 2 here 4, 4 6 is 24, 25 26, 264, that is 264 by 100 meter square. That means in one revolution the road roller will cover an area equal to 264 by 100 meter square. Therefore, in 750 revolution, 50 revolution, 50 revolution, 50 revolution, area of the road covered will be area of the road area of the road covered is equal to, in one revolution the area is 264 by 100, therefore in 750 revolution it will be 264 by 100 into 750 meter square, right? Therefore we are getting this zero will cut, right? 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, that is 15, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 132 into 15. If we multiply 132 into 15, then we are getting 5 to the 10, carry 1, it is 0. 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16, carry 1, 5 is 5, 1 6. 2 1 is 2, 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1. So we are getting 0. 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8, 1 8. 132 into 15, 5 to the 10, carry 1 0. 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16, carry 1 is 6, 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6, this is 6. Right, therefore getting 0. 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, this is 9 actually, this is 9. This is 9. 1980 meter square, therefore you are getting 19980 meter square, right? This is the area of the road covered, that is 980 meter square, and that is the answer, right? First of all, you have to find that in the one revolution the road roller will cover an area equal to with the lateral surface of this figure, that is a cylinder. Therefore lateral surface of the road roller is 2 pi r into h, and we find the value as 264 by 100 meter square. That is, in one revolution the road roller will cover an area of 264 by 100 meter square. Therefore in 750 revolution, area of the road covered will be 264 by 100 into 750, that comes to 980 meter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.